To check your transmission oil in your twin cam and Evos, there's either going to be a dipstick here, or there's going to be a dipstick here. And it's just going to be a little Allen screw there. Now you want to make sure the bike is up straight, because it's just a gearbox. There's no oil pump or anything. So have the bike standing up straight. Lefty-loosey that drain plug right on out of there. I'm sorry. Lefty-loosey that dipstick right on out of there. And you can, again, look for the knurled or the two lines on the dipstick and make sure the oil is between those two marks. So it is good to check your transmission oil periodically, but you don't need to check it nearly as frequently as your engine oil because your transmission will not burn any oil, unlike your engine. Now on your M8 Softails and baggers, your dipstick is right here behind this plastic cover. Thanks, Harley. In order to get that thing off of there, you have to take these two screws out. It takes 5/32 Allen wrench on M8 Softail. You can spin those two screws right on out of there. Don't drop your washer. You're going to want to find that. And you can just grab this whole cover and boop, pop it right off of there. Set that in a safe location. Then you can take this weird little plastic thing right here and boop, lift it right up on out of there. And then you can see right back here, that is the transmission dipstick. And it takes a 3/8 Allen wrench. Stand your bike up straight, remove the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinstall the dipstick to get an accurate level, because of course the oil is going to slosh back and forth in there. Then pull the dipstick back out and check the level. And it should be between the two marks, just like all the other ones. But when you're done, you can reinstall this little plastic plug back down in here. There's a little plastic cover. There's a little tab it goes into that I can't find. Tab there and there, and you can put your side cover back on. Grab the washer you dropped.